I woke up this morning. I was like, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna play basketball, and I'm gonna take Pepper for a walk. And then I came here and the gate was locked. I came home yesterday. I had intentions of using the bathroom. The toilet did not work. And I realized that all of these things that are not working doesn't apply to me because I still am. So I'm not letting anything steal my shine. I'm not letting anything steal my day. I'm not letting anything steal my life, because I feel like everybody has a right to a beautiful life, and why should any of that be robbed from you?
In today's Last Chef Stand is in the oven. Ladies. Mr. Horner, that was the hardest protein to cook. So the pot goes to the red team and the blue team. Yeah, let's go for the helmets. With the blue team still hanging on to a slim lead, the red is hoping their helmet has the red team.
I did, Chef.
Well, not only that, you know what? The blue team did a much better job communicating the
Huh?
red team.
No?
Really not surprised that we keep little dinner service.
Well done.
No, just the pasta. I don't.
And your egg.
Sorry, Chef.
Who's yours?
Just sorry.
Drying them off. Otherwise, people will go quickly. Please. In this nerve-wracking Cook for Your Life challenge, Rachel, pasta, pasta sauce. Chef Ramsay is impressed with.
I'm really confident about my dish.
Robin, please, let's go.
I got this. I know Chef Ramsay's gonna love my dish. Really?
They put it on a pancake.
You want a knife?
Yeah.
Okay, so I ended up doing my makeup real quick so I can go outside and make a couple TikToks. And yeah, I was blabbering, and then after I realized, like, girl, shut the fuck up. Like, literally, shut up. I'm just gonna fast forward until the end result. This is me doing makeup without having all the essentials. And I realized that I'm a crash out. So it's like, if I feel a certain type of way, I will sit there for 40, 50 minutes explaining why I feel a way. And while it's good, it's still dumb. So I just feel like, just shut up. You know what I'm saying? Just shut up. So thank you guys for tuning into my videos today. If whoever does watch, because I'm still growing. I'm just, going through the motions of trying to get myself secure in what I'm trying to do as an upcoming content creator. And I realized I let certain afflictions, certain people, and certain things stop me from being motivated when every day is a new day to do something. So regardless of all the setbacks, all of the things that's going on in my life right now, as long as I'm able to get up, maybe it's not the way that I want. As long as I'm able to get up, I'm able. So until next time, thank you.